All right. Are you there? Can you hear me? Ayomide, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, great. So please listen carefully because this is a lengthy question. So the African Court on Human and People's Rights issues a judgment against state X, finding that its electoral laws discriminate against minority ethnic groups, violating Articles 2 and 13 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. What is the legal effect of these judgments and how is it enforced? A. The judgment has purely advisory effect and the state can ignore it, being a persuasive decision on the state. B. States undertake B. State parties undertake to comply with judgments of the court, and non-compliance is reported to the African Union Assembly for a follow-up action. Then C. The African Court can directly compel legislative change in state X. And then D. The judgment must first be endorsed by the United Nations General Assembly. Your time starts now.
D.
That's wrong. Thank you.
Question 6.
Question 6.
Yeah.
Okay, question 6. All right, so question 6 says a social media influencer in Nigeria is arrested under Section 24 of the Cybercrimes Act for posting false statements about a government minister that caused annoyance. It challenges the provision as unconstitutional. What is the strongest argument in this case? A. Section 24 of the Cybercrimes Act is valid as cybercrime legislation falls within legislative competence. B. Online speech enjoys no constitutional provision or protection. C. Criminal defamation provisions are always valid, provided they are enacted by the National Assembly. D. Section 24 of the Cybercrimes Act, which criminalizes grossly offensive or false electronic messages causing annoyance, is unconstitutionally vague and overbroad. Start now.
A.
What?
A.
Hey, that's wrong. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Welcome. Please
Sir,
come
this
on.
is Becky. I don't know why you have called my name.
No. Just yes. It's a turn. It's a turn. All right. So please pick a question.
From number what, sir?
1 to 19, excluding the ones that have been picked.
Okay, number 17.
Number 17. Okay. So the case of Adekunjo and Hussein, which was decided by the court in 2021, in the context of property rights, relates to which of the following? A. Compensation. B. Local standard. C. Illegal acquisition. And D. Perpetual injunction. The time starts now.
C.
That's wrong. Thank you. So the next person, please just come on board. Fabian. Fabian. Is Fabian here? Fabian. Okay, the next person is a former prisoner.
I'm here.
Okay. So please pick the question.
3.
3. Okay. 3. So question 3 says Please pick another question.
7.
7, okay. Okay. So in the case of Madu and Mbakwe, what did the court determine about the enforcement of fundamental rights? A. It can only be initiated by the victim. B. It cannot be initiated while the victim is jailed.
You're supposed to call it. Use your network. Use network. You're supposed to call. Use network. Come on, I know.
15.
Yes, sir. 15.
Why did you call the girl?
Okay, 15.
That girl, I then we find a nominate.
All right. So question 15 says
Carry
that
everybody along. See, I record that. I shall you like
the right to freedom
call that girl now like 3 times.
that a Nigerian citizen A can be expelled from Nigeria.
So network now. That call what you make now. Don't make this thing cut.
Question 14.
Question 14. Question 14. Just a second, please. Okay, question 14. Please, okay, don't worry. Okay, so your question is, which of the following is not a restriction on freedom of expression? A. Defamation. B. Secrecy of the state. C. Public health. And D. Criticism of the government policy. Your time starts now.
Public health.
That's wrong. Thank you. So, Nathaniel Jeremiah.
Question 16.
Question 16.
Use the lifeline.
Okay, so which of the following is an example of discrimination? A. Asking for a marital status in a job application. Paying her the same salary as a fellow male colleagues. C. Promoting her on merit. D. Providing her with maternity leave. Your time starts now.
A.
That's correct. All right, so no problem. So just come on board now. So your question. 1 to 10. So just choose one.
15.
Number 15.
Yes, sir.
Somebody, while your network was having issue, choose another number.
Number 10.
Number 10. All right, your question is, in Emmanuel and Commissioner of Police, the court reiterated that A. Arresting a person in place of a relative is valid. B. Arresting a person in place of a relative is unconstitutional. C. Police officers have absolute discretion in effecting an while bail is always lawful. Your time starts now.
B.
B. That's correct. at this juncture, Amarachi, are you on the call?
Yes.
Amarachi?
Yes, I'm on the call.
Okay. Would you like to take over from here?
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
All right. So I would hand over the baton to Amarachi at this pivotal juncture. Okay, Amarachi, the floor is yours.
Okay. Jeremiah, Nathaniel.
He has answered. I'm the next.
Okay. Chibuza. Just choose a number.
Actually, because Fabian just, so you're starting from number 9.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Chibuza,
Ma?
choose a number, please.
Number 1.
1. A state in a declared public emergency derogates from Article 9 and 14 of the ICCPR, suspending fair trial rights and allowing indefinite detention without charge for terrorism suspects. Which statement best reflects the legality of this derogation? A. The derogation is lawful because Article 4 permits suspension of any rights during emergency. B. The derogation is entirely unlawful as the ICCPR rights cannot be suspended under any circumstances. C. The derogation is partially lawful because Article 9 permits limited derogation, but Article 14's protection of an accused in criminal proceeding cannot be suspended to the extent that they undermine the essence of a trial. And D, Article 14 can be fully derogated in national security cases. The time starts now.
C.
Correct. Okay. We have Suleiman Ajita. Are you here? Ajita Suleiman. Okay, Favor Ogechuku. Are you here? Who is now on the call? Favor,
Favor is here.
please choose a number 1 to 19.
Is 7 taken?
No. Imadu versus Mbakwe. What did
Somebody took.
Okay. Choose another number, please.
10?
Is 10 taken?
Samarachi, yes. Take it. Please, another one.
Another one.
19?
I think 19 is taken, right?
Very good.
No,
3.
Samarachi.
Okay, sorry. 19. A prisoner on death row in Nigeria. 19, that's what I'm saying now. A prisoner on death row in Nigeria has been incarcerated for his conviction. He now argues that the prolonged wait for execution combined with the harsh conditions of death row constitutes cruel and inhuman treatment contrary to section 34 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. What is the legal position? A. Death row inmates forfeit their right to dignity upon conviction. B. Prolonged death row detention is legally irrelevant to the validity of C. Section 34 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria does not apply to convicted prisoners. And D. Prolonged death row detention can become degrading violation of human rights. Your time starts now.
Option D.
Correct. Okay. Philemon John.
Good afternoon, ma.
Please choose a number.
Okay, that was 9. 18.
18. A citizen is arrested for disrespecting the governor on a Facebook post. What is the legal implication? A. Defamation is a crime, so the arrest is valid. B. The arrest is justified under the Cybercrime Act. C. The arrest violates the right to expression of Yes, ma'am. See, the arrest violates the right to freedom of expression, and the arrest is unlawful. Is lawful if the governor orders it. Time starts now.
Sorry, what did you say, ma? The last two options, I did not get you.
We must repeat. Defamation is a crime, so the arrest is valid. B. The arrest is justified under the Cybercrime Act. Arrest violates the right to freedom of expression, and D. The arrest is lawful if the governor orders it. Please, you
C,
have
C,
seconds.
C, ma. C, ma.
Which is what?
C, ma.
Okay, correct.
Thank you.
Can you Shola Olali? Are you here?
Mm,
Okay, please choose a number.
Number 7.
7. Taken already.
Number 6.
Taken, equally taken. Please another one.
Taken.
Num-
Taken. Please another other one.
what range of numbers?
Just be choosing, we'll tell you.
1 to 6. Okay, 16.
Not so. Is 16 taken?
Taken too. Yeah.
Okay, we choose a number for you.
Number 3.
Is 3 taken?
That available. It's available.
Okay, 3. Country B is a party to both. Listen carefully. Country B is a party to both the African Charter and the ICCPR. Human rights violation occurs that is arguably covered by both instruments. So, human rights violation occurs, which is arguably covered by both. The victim pursues both the African, which principle govern always take the victim before going to the regional body. See, both proceedings can run simultaneously with no admissibility bar. And D, the victim must choose the forum. The time starts now.
D. The victim must choose the forum.
Correct. Shulamite Amarachi. Are you here? Shulamite Amarachi.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, your number, please.
Number 2.
It's still okay. The African Court on Human and People's Rights issues a judgment against State A, says
No,
Z.
it's actually taken. Sorry.
Oh, it's taken. So what number can we?
Okay, no, please go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. The African Court on Human and People's Rights issues a judgment against State Z, finding that its electoral laws discriminate against minority ethnic groups, violating Article 2 and 13 of the African Charter. What is the legal effect of this judgment and how is it enforced? A. The judgment has purely adversary effect and the state can ignore. Okay, the judgment has purely adversary effect and the state can ignore it, being a persuasive decision on the state. B. State parties undertake to comply with judgments of the court, and non-compliance is reported to the African Union Assembly for follow-up action. C. The African Court can directly compel legislative change in State Z, and D. The judgment must first be endorsed by the UN General Assembly. Your time starts now.
B.
B, which is what?
Something about the judgment not being. I thought it was B, I think.
Correct. Only Friday. Are you here? Only Friday.
Hi, yes, I am.
Yeah, please choose.
Justin.
Yeah, please choose the number.
16,
I think 16 is taken.
17,
The 17 taken. Joshua. I think so.
17.
Yeah. What did you say?
No, it's taken. It's taken.
Yeah.
okay. 15 is 15 taken.
15. Yes.
14.
Um, yes. I think 13
13.
is not taken. 13 is not taken, right?
13.
Okay, so 13. So there's this case. Aribe, Sola, and Oyilola twin was related to A. Freedom of expression, B. Right to fair hearing, C. Right to freedom of association and assembly, and D. Right to life. Your time starts now.
Right to freedom of association and assembly.
Correct. Israel.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear you, ma'am?
Yeah. Is it? I think this
Okay.
was the
Question.
existing.
Ma, you said?
Sorry, I'm asking Joshua.
Okay, that what are the
Okay.
What are the options that can be chosen? Because most of them have been chosen already.
question 5 is applicable?
Okay.
Question 5, question 8, question 9,
Oh,
question 11,
Israel. Thank
11,
you.
yeah.
So
Okay.
choose from there.
So I can pick the words.
Wow. Okay. In Skybank and Iwu 2017, the Supreme Court held one of the hearing in relation to the jurisdiction of the National Industrial Court of Nigeria. A. The National Industrial Court of Nigeria cannot hear human rights cases. B. Human rights high courts must hear on all human rights cases. C. Industrial disputes are not human rights cases. And D. None of the above. The time starts now.
And B, the High Court must hear on all human rights cases.
Incorrect. Is there
B,
anyone?
ma.
That's incorrect. Incorrect. Incorrect.
Okay.
Is there anyone that hasn't?
Now I think we've treated everyone.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, it's another meeting. So,